Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota FJ Cruiser 27 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It will come with two harnesses. One canvas box. Other one is standard Toyota universal harness. Okay, let me show. Okay, this standard Toyota ISO harness will come with head unit. You can check this for speaker, this steering wheel control, and this power. This connect ISO harness back of head unit, and you can check this GND ground, back ground, and this steering wheel K1 and wheel K2 is for steering wheel control. Okay, this standard Toyota ISO harness will come with this device, and this canvas box also will come with head unit. Okay, they'll come with this connector special for FJ Cruiser. If your car have JBL system, this canvas box and this connector can be fit. Okay. Okay, let me show it. This is UI interface. Let me check. You can adjust the brightness when you receive head unit. And this is taskbar. This is clear memory. All apps are here. It's fast response. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can check connected Wi-Fi. It supports hotspot from your phone. And then let me check the system. You can check about machine. This model is a Rockchip PX5 RK3368. Android version is Android 9. Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Okay. It's RAM 4 GB, ROM 32 GB. And you can change the language. All languages you can add a language change in here. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the Bluetooth. You can check this pin number 40. This is my phone. Let me open my phone. Okay, please enable Bluetooth from your phone. and click search button to search your phone. Okay, search the Galaxy S8 Plus. Click Repair button. Your phone will get the command. Please put the 401234. Click OK. Okay, it show connected for audio. It change color, show Bluetooth icon. It's Belsee Bluetooth. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, you can hang up. You can stream music from your phone. Sorry. Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. Can stop and play. Let me connect SSR. It's built in YouTube. You can open the YouTube. Okay. Okay, you can choose this video video display. Okay, this is YouTube. Let me check the internet. Let me search. Let me search our website. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, please contact to us, belsee.com. Okay. Let me introduce video and the music. This is USB driver. Let me connect. This volume control. Sorry, it's cleared. And let me show the video. This is video. Choose USB 1. It's play 4K video. This 4K send some word wrote the word. Okay. It also comes with car launcher, HMA. If you want to use this launcher, you also set it home. You can check the setting. You can check this home launcher. You can change set car HMA launcher or original launcher. It's HMA launcher. It's the original launcher. Okay, that's all. Thank you.